Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discuss about Docker command with the system and state. What exactly we can able to see for the system and state in our Docker list. Okay, what are the commands we can able to use it and all we'll see. Okay, and if you open for command prompt and maximizing this one and Docker system, if you click the Docker system, you can able to see the Docker system command def pure remove for see now this is the system. It is gives us what all the Docker images having system uses purpose. If you use the Docker system, it will give for df. We can able to show the Docker desktop uses, what is the usage of that particular one, and events. If you want to use the events, then events it will give for the real-time events from the server, and info display the system wide information, and p runs this will remove for unused data. Okay, these are the commands we can able to use to get it. Okay, and if you use for system.df and hit it, see now that the how many images I have, Docker images, there is 7 active images, 7. What is the size of that? 458.5 MB. Yeah, reclaiming for 16.7 MB. Containers, 26 containers I have. What is the size? 1.585 MB. 100%. Local value is become a 33. Okay, building cache it is become a 46. Okay, this is the info. And if you want the events, you can able to use for the events. If you use the events, what are the events? It's hitting for the runtime. Okay, sorry. Now we are hitted. Now still there is no runtime, means real time events. Okay. Now I'm going to open another command prompt. Okay. This command I will keep it for small only. Okay. Now here you can able to see, right? Now I'm going to use for Docker container run -p 5000.5000, and you can able to go ahead for you can copy this one and paste it here. Now before that we can able to hit this one and we can keep it here. Now I'm going to use for python colon 0.0.1 dot release. Okay, now this is my command to running, right? Now I'm going to hit. Now you can see there is no events still that. Okay, still that real time events. Now I'm going to hit it. Now you can see after hitting here, automatically the events are displayed here. What are the events we can able to see? This is the time it is hitted, and this is the container created. This is my container. What is the image of this? This is the my image, and this is the image unique name of this one. Okay, these are the real-time information it will provide. If you open another container and if you open something, and there also it will provide you. Okay, now if I'm going to hit for this 5000, and if it python is the one it is presented now, see there is no replicated, but while you running for that particular run containers, those moment you can able to get for real-time information. Okay, that you can able to get it. Okay, now I'm going to control C. Okay, and after control C, even you can able to see the events. After events, you can able to use for info also. Info. If you use the info, it will give you for the complete info of that particular, how many containers, how many runs, and what is the last running, and everything, the Docker information and server information, everything it will provide you for the information related. Okay, and if you use for, there is a p run you, p run you. That p run you is basically what will happen. It will remove that entire unused data, unused data. Okay, now you can able to go ahead here, Docker container list one, it is going on. Okay, now I'll keep it one. Okay, now I will keep it one, and another one we can able to use -a. Okay, these all the things are presented, correct? Now I can able to see, we can able to use for system. Okay, we need to use the system and prenew dot hyphen a. Now I'm removing. See, warning, this will be remove all the stop container and network need to be there and build the caches. This all the information it is provided. If you make yes, now I'm making for yes. See, this all the containers it is going to delete it. Okay. See, all unused data, unused tags, it is deleted. Okay, completely. Now if I'm going to use for container list, but only one it is presented. Previous we have so many. See, this many we have while we do for container A. Okay, but now we got it only one. Because why? Because that is the one we have running right now. This particular container is running. That's why we are not able to delete. This PUR is basically it will remove that particular uh, things. Okay, if you get for now Docker images, if you use the Docker images, you can able to get only one, that is called Python. Correct. If you want the list of things also, you can able to get it, that is the one. If you want to get the state of that container, how you can able to use container Docker state container ID, we can able to, this is my container ID, I'm going to use it for here and hit it. Now you can this state is not a Docker container. Yes, yeah, it should be yes. See, if you go ahead here, the container, that is a container ID at the name, and CPU usage and memory and limitation and memory usage and net blocking pads. This all the information it will provide you. Okay, this is the information. This is the container. This is the container name. This much of space it is using. This much of memory usage it is happening. Limitation it is happening. This all the network. These all the things it will provide you for that state. Okay. And if you want to specify something memory, now the memory it is become a 35.44 megabytes. Okay, I don't want that much of space of memory in my usage. I want to give only 512 memory. 512 I want to specify that particular one. How you can able to do it. Okay. Now the same thing you can able to remove the states. Okay. Now if you go for container and run -p 5001 colon 5000, and next one I'm going to use it. Okay, or else you can able to use the container ID itself, 5000 itself, but before that we need to stop the container, or else you can able to use 77723. Now I removed and run -p 5000 5000 and -d. If you want -d, you can able to use. Otherwise, you can use for -m. Okay, M is basically a memory, and I'm going to use for 512 megabytes. And you can able to use for container ID also 77723. Unable to find. Oh shit. Okay, my Docker is not able to run right now, right? Shit. Okay. Python colon 0.0.1 point release. Okay, my now it is started. Now I'm going to use for my state of that, and I'm going to use for BA4C. This is my container ID. If I'm going to use for, now I'm stopping this one. You can able to see 512 megabytes only it is able to utilize. If I keep on like this, and you can able to see it will reduce those things information limited. How much limit I can able to use? Only 512. Okay, you can able to see previous it is different, now it is different. Okay, like this CPU utilization you can able to keep it. How long you can able to run, that much time you can able to provide for CPU utilization for that. Okay, the BZ of 512 MB only it will be reused. Okay, and if you want to specify something which you can able to provide for CPU, you can able to see there is a CPU usage that is called 0.16 percentage is there. You can able to specify for 50,000 like that. Also, it will reduce for CPU utilization as well. Okay, how you can able to use it for that particular one? You can able to provide this one and run here, and you can able to use there is a space after 512 MB, and you can able to say hyphen CP CUP CPU hyphen quota. Okay, equal to 50,000 or something you can able to specify. Okay, and also you can able to specify for that container ID, not required now this one, and BA4C. Now if I hit, oh shit, this container, why it is not providing? Okay, now 5000 port is already utilized. 5001 we can able to use it. Now if I go ahead and use for 5001, it will running. Okay, now the state we can able to use. Now mine is 24DCA. Now you can see here you can able to CPU utilize also, it will keep on ups and downs, it will be happen comparing to previous, it will be less it will come, the memory usage and everything it will be goes very low. Okay, if you use control C it will stop that one. Okay, how much time you want you can able to use it based upon that. If you want to specify that CPU usage, that also you can able to provide. If you want a memory specification, that also you can able to provide the memory. Okay, this all about for Docker command with the system and states. Okay, I hope this information help for you. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.